Charlie, what's today? Wait. What's today? Lexi, what's today?
The last Thunder News!
Wait, today is the last day of Thunder News. You needed to wait for that?
I just had to, no, I had to sneeze.
Oh. Holy shit, I'm scared.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
No, I'll aim for your mouth.
Okay. Just open it.
You ready?
Oh my god. Welcome back to Thunder News. Oh!
Go!
Welcome back to Thunder News.
Oh my. Sorry, it got to
Johnny. You definitely got scared.
You have cake on your face.
Oh, it's like really in there.
Just fire it. You got to get gym
What is bowling class? Oh, good job, both of them.
Shout out yearbook. Oh, autograph things. Did Mr. Tassan make you write that?
I told.
Oh no, Mr. Mother said Thursday's fine, right?
Yeah, just say by Thursday.
Okay.
Don't say a date because every teacher's deadline is different.
Yeah. Yeah, Mr. Paul's deadline is on Friday. This Friday. Tomorrow.
What did you guys just eat?
Cupcake. No hands. No hands. I almost
Oh.
got one bite. That was gonna like. I can silence it because I have CapCut Pro. It was like when you I can silence. Oh wow, so it's okay. I can like silence.
Because we have, yeah, because you have your $200.
Well, we have
the
the
mic.
mic.
We have the mic, so I don't think it should be that.
Oh my god! Guess what?
Watch out.
Okay.
Always knew this day would come. We'd be standing one by one with our future in our hands. Hello, Mr. Max. What's up?
We're working on some capstone things.
That's fun.
Are you helping with the race or?
Thunder News. Just stopping by. Who in the hell put the muffins in?
Oh, I had the mic. What are you doing?
Okay, can we grab our stuff and then go to the field?
Why? We just.
I didn't want to go to the field so bad.
I have to go like now.
I don't wanna go.
Hey! Cut the cameras.
No, this one's something different, I promise.
Aww.
Who's Estelle? Who's Levi?
Leave me alone.
Cut the cameras.
Who's Levi?
Levi Ackerman from Attack on Titan.
Fuzzy actually circumcised it.
Oh, who's Levi?
Cut the camera to their autograph.
You know what?
Say the outro.
Have a good day, Thunderbirds.
Stop saying. Don't piss me off.
This cake is great. Fun fact of the day, cake is my favorite food.
Okay. Those are the other people doing Thunder News. Oh, okay.
Maria, give me a bite of your cake. Lexi's on Vlog Squad.
Stop swearing. This is for YouTube.
Taylor, I can just
Fuck you. Silent.
I miss my mouth.
Bro, that's Gus's.
But when the things are Monday. Oh, I'm editing Monday.
I'm using a clean
Or
finger.
tomorrow. Oh yeah. Okay.
That you just sucked?
No, a clean, different finger.
Sing it.
I always knew this day would come. We'd be standing one by one. Our future in our hands.
I don't know the rest of the words.
Taylor and Lexi won't get anything done, which is a big issue because we haven't even written this week's sketch. We're running out of time. Do you guys even have any ideas?
No.
No, you're usually the one that comes up with the ideas. Okay, I don't really know why Maya's so stressed about everything. Like, I'm graduating next week, so I don't really see the big deal. I mean, I'm gonna be out of here, so that's kind of a them problem.
I don't understand why she's so stressed about this. I mean, Taylor's literally graduating, and this is a volunteer thing that we just got roped into.
All right, I think this is the one.
Is anyone even gonna end up watching Thunder News on the last day of school?
I'm not doing this next year.
Make sure that you're not like Maya and you don't leave your. Fuck!
It's the grad walk. Don't run. I said don't run.
Welcome back to Thunder News.